Missy and welcome to Miss Trendy Treats. So the other day I had made these cute little football marshmallow jerseys and I ended up with some extra football gummies and I really wanted to do something with them. So what I've decided is I'm going to make this quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make these cute little cupcakes that have the footballs on them. So for a little added fun, I put some eyeballs on some of them. So without further ado, let's get started. To decorate the outside of your cupcake, just grab your liner and drop your cupcake into the liner. I'm using this to match the bangles colors. I am using tip number 233 of Wilton's. It's got little holes in the top and it gives like a grass effect when you go to pipe out. And then inside my decorating bag, I have green frosting. I'm going to drop little spots of grass all the way around the outside border of my cupcake. That way I don't miss any spots of the grass hanging down along the sides of my cupcake. Now go ahead and fill in all of the center spots and then place your football gummy right in the center. Now go behind the football and drop a few layers of grass. So because the Dallas Cowboys don't have orange in their colors, I am going to remove the cupcake from the liner that it was baked in and then just drop it into my liner that I want to decorate with. I'm going around and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm dropping my grass just on the edge of my cupcake and then again going in the middle and filling it in. This time I'm going to add some eyeballs to my football. So I'm just going to take some of my green frosting, put a little dab on the back of one of the eyeballs, and then place it directly over the top of the stitches. Now the stitches have become enough. Place it on top of your cupcake and drop some more blades of grass behind it for support. So here are our gummy football cupcakes that we made today. They're such a quick snack that you can make a ton of these in a short amount of time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be posting pictures of these on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook pages. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be kept up to date on my weekly Wednesday tutorials. Thank you for watching Miss Trendy Treats. Bye bye guys. So without further ado, let's get started. What I did was I just piped out some pumpkins. Very quickly and get them out, in and out, football. And I ended up with some extra marshmallow. And for a little added fun, I put on some eyeballs, footballs, candies, gummies. Cute little marshmallow jersey cheats. Jersey treats. Football jersey, football. Marshmallow football jersey. Okay.